I tried to catch a picture of her and she left. Okay. That should do it. Welcome back to Second Life. Hello, this is Charles Robes. We're at the Nature Collective. And it's moderate for your protection. Please like, please subscribe, never forget. Always remember, every time a notification bell rings, an old man gets his wings, and you get to see more of my videos. So give me a big thumbs up and hit the red button. And after you subscribe, ring a ding-a-ling with a little bell. Don't forget my Patreon, it's only $1. And if I get some interest in what I'm doing, I shall do more. Okay, there we go. What else do we have here? Head off this way. Okay, we have this walking trail. That's nice. What's up here? Oh. Let's check this out. Yes. So we are going to sit Mother up there too. First we swap them, get them in their correct order. I wanted to find out first if we had couples sitting up here before I go to the trouble of getting Mother up here. Wasn't easy. We are sitting on the rough wooden low seating floor, cushion dark. There's only 6 poses. Oh, I'm in my I can't recall his name. Oh, Thaddeus. A Thaddeus Victorian gentleman costume. Mother is still in the Santa's helper. That'll change at the end of our session today. And I'll put her in her New Year's gown. We won't see her again until New Year's Day. I'll also change myself into something more celebratory. That's number 6. Okay. Let's get her up first. This might cause baby to come. Oops. It caused him to fall. Yeah. I don't think Mother can quite manage that. Here she comes. Oh, that was pretty cute. I like that. Now, over here, I think we had a path. Yes, this is where we were on. Oh, good. Mother pretty much turned our way. Oh, well, he needs to go back to his full height. Oh, there's a rabbit. Oh, and here we are back again. What does that sign say? Clear for wearable binoculars or flashlight. Cool. Oh, look at the bird. Back home in Pennsylvania, we have a place called Hawk Mountain. Of course, that's an owl. And you can always see things like that up on Hawk Mountain. It's not a kitty cat. I thought it's a fox. Trees. There's another fox. Woodpeckers. What house is this? Have we been to this house? Is this the house that we came out of? Oh gosh. Stuck in the brush here. Trying to get us to turn around. Here's the front door. So I do believe, yes. We did not sit on that bench. Maybe we'll come back there again. Okay, where was that? Right there. Right now I want to walk in the woods instead of sit on the bench. What's this? Bats? In your hair. No, they're not going to go lay eggs in your hair. They don't lay eggs. Oh, what's this? Oops. Oh. Now what? Well, there's some people. Road closed. How sad. Okay, well, let's just take a look ahead and see what we're missing. Well, not much, actually. How about we find some other place to play? Well, come on. Okay, how about that? Right there, come on. There you go. Very good. Okay. And we'll call them okay. Good, they're here. Okay, I think we may have been here before, but it looks cool. Maybe we haven't been here before. Check out the house here. This looks nice. I'm thinking we have been here before. Okay, we'll get her set. Good. And him too. We'll put him down. And cuddle. Oh my. That's lovely. So we are at Shiro and its mother for your protection. Very nice. It looks very cuddly. That doesn't so much, but we'll just have to live with it. Well, I think it's about time that we switch, that we end and start the next video. It'll be an hour and a half for you, I'm afraid. That's how long it takes to upload. But bear with me, and I shall be back shortly.